Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. So this is a Koenigsegg CCXR. This casting is by Hotwheels, part of their premium line, and it's from Fast and Furious movies. If you have seen this, I think this came at the end of the movie, and it was from Fast 5, as you can see. So at the end of the movie, I think two of the actors get these cars. So it does look like a nice casting, so let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the CCXR out of its box. The first thing you will notice is this paint. It's all kind of dark gray, very close to black. Oh yeah, if you don't know what premium, so premium Hot Wheels premiums usually have nicer paint job with nicer details, well, better looking wheels with rubber tires, and metal base, which you don't normally see on mainline cars. Now coming back to this casting. So we're gonna start from the front. The front, you can see it has got some good details. You got detailed headlamp, you got the Koenigsegg badge, you got a single windshield wiper and both the mirrors, which I really like. Hot Wheels normally just does random mirrors. This one actually looks like one that are on the car. Also, you can see it has fog lamps and splitter front. Good details there. Let's move to the driver's side. Oh yeah, before I go there, you do have vents here. It's a rear engine car, so no engine there. On the driver's side, as I said before, you got nice chrome wheels which look good, rubber tires. Also, Koenigseggs have looks like a cockpit, so you see this curved glass and comes all the way to the window, which I think looks really good, and Hot Wheels has done a nice job to show it here. Also on the side, you get the CCXR badge, you get the vents, which are again painted black, so they're detailed, they look nice. Very cool looking door, which again looks good. And you can see it looks like a proper sports car, the shape and body. Oh, you do have running lights here. Coming to the back, oh, you can also see the turn indicators here. So on the back, again, there are good details. As you see, you've got detailed tail lamp. You got since it's a rear engine car, so you've got grill or vent in the back, which are again detailed. Number plate, which reads Koenigsegg CCXR. You got a nice wing in the back. You got the diffuser at the bottom, turn indicator, backup lights, and a exhaust, just like Formula 1 cars, I guess. And this is how it looks from the top. If you see, more vents here and there, and a small window to look at your engine. And you can see the cut line for the hood to open up because the engine is in the back. Now moving to the passenger side, again it looks almost identical. I think that's the fuel filler cap. I'm not sure, I haven't seen a CCX in real life, so I think that's the fuel filler cap, and it looks almost identical as the driver's side. Apart from that, you can see the interior, it's finished in black. You can see the driver's side steering wheel there. You got the dash with the speedo and stuff. I don't know if you can see the seats clearly, but there are two seats. And this is how it looks for the bottom. It says 2025 metal, so I'm assuming it's new for this year. So overall, I think they had few other Koenigsegg's. So they had the Jesco and I don't know, another sports car. Can't remember the name, but I don't know if they did the Jesco in the premium, but the other one was done in premium. So they do have few Koenigseggs by Hot Wheels already, and I think this is gonna go really well with those. And I like the casting, it looks good. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.